Thank you, Sam's Beauty. This is a true beauty.
Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey guys, it's Madison. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm not going to do a voiceover for the whole video because I talked throughout the video, but this is the second wig that Sam's Beauty has sent me. This is a full synthetic wig. Unlike the previous one, that one was a human blend. This one is just full synthetic, and let me tell you, it is bomb. You'll see throughout the video. Just watch the whole video because it's bomb. But here's the details. Everything will be down below, so be sure to read the description box, and thank you guys for watching. So in the last video, I messed up the lace because I cut too close. So this time I'm just I was just do the 3 slits like I usually do, and then I'ma not use the razor. If you got 20/20 vision, you can use the razor. I ain't got 20/20 vision. Okay, this one. So I won't be doing the ear tabs again because my head's too big. Okay, so this one, I like this one better than the other one. And this one's a T-part, and I hate T-parts. Look at that. So we're gonna get our got to be. And we're just gonna start. See, synthetic wigs like this are great for beginners because you don't have to worry about plucking. I mean, yes you do. You don't have to worry about like bleaching the knots. I can't believe I'm filming 2 videos in one day. Okay, this lace is, ooh, look at that. This lace is bomb. So we're gonna cut her. We're gonna cut in like little zigzaggy motions. Wait. Do y'all see this? This look good. Brush out the full synthetic. Okay, let me show you the difference between this is it brushed out and this is it before you brush it out. So I like this one better. Bro, this looks good. Like I don't even have to do baby hairs. This is the part. This is a T-part wig, bro. I hate T-part wigs, but I love this one. This one is bomb. Wait a second. Bomb.com. I love this one. This one is bomb. Hold up. Cause this one's bomb. Get it now. It's on sale for $40, bro. Get it now. $35 or $40, bro. This is bomb. Like I don't this is bomb.com. The ends are not getting poofy whatsoever because I know with my blue synthetic wig, when I was like plucking it and brushing it, the ends would get super poofy and I would have to straighten it. This, look, I done brushed through it after plucking. The ends are perfect. This is a bomb synthetic wig, guys. This is straight out of the pack, babe. This is straight out of the pack. Like, I didn't even pluck it that much. It's layered. It has body, volume, everything the girls want, everything the girls need. This one, 10 out of 10. I have no cons about this actually. I thought the con was gonna be the T part because I don't like T parts, but I like it. I love it. Y'all know I tell y'all the truth about stuff. Go get it. It looks good. Purr. Let's see if it can take some heat. It says up to 400 degrees. My hot comb is at 400, so we're gonna see if we can flatten this a little bit. Because with the T part, y'all saw how tiny the part was, so the track is literally right here, so it's hard to get that flatter than this because, you know, it's a freaking T part wig. And it's so funny because I literally just tweeted like last night or a couple of days ago, I tweeted ban T part wigs. I'm gonna have to delete that tweet after this. Cause baby, she's cute. We chilling. I like this one better than the other one in the other video I did. This one's a bit shorter, but I like it a lot better. Like the way it looks. Thank you, Sam's Beauty. This is a true beauty. Do I want to add baby hairs? I know y'all probably want me to add baby hairs, huh? Very much. I woke up like this. I'm just going ahead and add a couple baby hairs for y'all. I thought a hoe who ain't got a $40 synthetic wig said something. I thought a girl who can't lay down a synthetic wig and make it look like it's coming out her scalp said something. I'm just kidding. So, what is she giving? Very much scalp. Very much, I've been doing rice water since I was born. Very much purr. She's very cute, guys. Don't y'all like, I know y'all like this one better than the other one. I know y'all will. This one is so cute. One of like the dead giveaways of synthetic wigs is the luster on the wig. This is like a natural luster, like very much natural, very much going out my scalp. Very much rice water since I was a baby. Relaxer who, perm who, wig who. This is my hair, my scalp. It's coming from my scalp. This one, 10 out of 10. Everything about it is 10 out of 10. I have no cons about this hair, to be honest. And that's usually like a surprise. Like, I usually always have something to say about a wig. But this one was actually constructed perfectly for a T-part wig. 10 out of 10. I just love it. Like, I actually love this wig. Very, very cute. This would be a bomb gift to somebody. This exact wig. I'm telling you, I love this one. So this is when I do that, like put it all together, or you could just, you know, just wear it like that. But to get it like that, you just make it go in the direction that it wants to go, and it'll just curl all like that. Very cute. Very glad I chose this wig. If you're looking for a bomb synthetic wig, get this one. If it's your first synthetic wig, get this one. If you're scared to get a synthetic wig, get this one. I want to thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. Bro, it's so crazy. Shout out to y'all because y'all helped me get to 4,000 subscribers. I was at 3,970 earlier today. Now I have 4,093 subscribers. I was at 3,970 today, earlier today. Thank you guys. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at madis0n.n and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. I think it's this way because it flips. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just leave them down below in the comments and I'll be sure to reply to you. And yeah.
Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana.